we are at a smart car wash. The man bet is working his socks off. Look at him. Sheila's finally getting a clean. We
was desperate.
Well, we did a semi-clean, didn't we, with the kids that time when we were on that site, but we couldn't reach the bugs on the top there. They're just there. Loads of bugs. So this is fab because you can literally get all the nooks and crannies with that nice brush. So she's going to be sparkling. But yeah, I said, got to be done. She's just stinking, man.
Oh, she a dirty girl.
She is stinking. Stinking Sheila. But also, there's nothing worse going up a motorway, is there, when your van's dirty. So, yeah, it'd be nice to sit in her in a bit. I can wave proudly again to our fellow motorhomers with a nice clean van.
Oh, she'll be dirty again by the time we get up there.
Don't say that now. You'll have to clean her again then. We've got some rolling ruck decals being put on her at some point in the next week or so. So she'll need to be sparkling for that, won't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am excited. Hey, get all them dead bugs, love.
This is the bit that's been annoying me the most. It's all these bugs and guts.
Yeah, to be fair, you can't actually appreciate how high up that is when you start cleaning it, don't you? And then you realise there's no way you're getting up there unless you've got ladders or something. We have got one of them long brushes, but keep forgetting to bring it. And do you really want to be cleaning it on holiday, on a campsite? Not really.
So here we are.
Come on, stick some elbow into it.
Where's the step ladder?
I'm hoping this brush is going to reach it.
I think you're hoping a lot because you're not going to get to the top bit up there, are you?
Well, we'll try, won't we?
To be fair, you don't care, you can't see the roof anyway.
I can't. That drone footage showed us. Obviously, it's not that bad. It's only a few weeks old, but
Can we get a ladder put on the back then to climb onto the roof?
I don't want to go on the roof.
Or can we stick out the sunroof and clean the top that way?
Possibly.
Oh, that's some good effort in there, love. Look at her. He's taking his time, mind, isn't he? He's not the quickest. How long do you get then to clean it?
8 minutes.
You want to speed up a bit then?
I know.
You've still got all the other side and the back to do yet.
I'm going as fast as I can. She's a big girl.
There's no need to speak about her like that.
She's got a big ass.
Come on then, quick, before the water changes. You'll go into rinse mode and you haven't even finished cleaning it.
Oh, it'll be Christmas before I finish this. Right. I can keep it on this as long as I want.
I'll just show you around the space that you actually have to clean this. I've not seen one of these before. What's it called? Touchless car wash. So you've got 3 where you can go into like cubicles, I suppose, or like aisles to wash the cars. There you are, they're quite wide. And then this bit on the end hasn't got the roof, so you can obviously whack the motorhome or trucks or whatever you've got and clean that. So I think it's really cool. I didn't even know this was here until Stu said this morning.
This is where I've been bringing my van.
Ah, yeah. Oh, it's clever, isn't it? I suppose that's why they call it smart. Hey!
Good dunk, good dunk.
I just see all the black coming off. It's minging. To be fair, she's done what, 2,000 miles now?
Yeah, this is her, she's had a little clean. This is her first big one.
She's having a treat.
Yeah.
It's her little reward for taking us about, look, for the last 5 weeks.
Might even spray a bit of wax on it.
Wow. Do you have to press a button or anything, or is all that just coming out automatically?
It comes out automatically till I go to the main control panel and you can select about 5 different options. Show them, have a look.
Well, I don't know what I'm looking at.
You'll see it, you'll know what I mean.
Excuse the children having a shout with each other again. Oh yeah, okay. So it tells you which ones to press. So program 1 would be the washing, 2 rinsing, 3 ultra hot wax, and then 4 is the dryer polisher. And then over here on the screen, it's giving you your timer, and then gives you all your different options to come and press. And you can pay by card as well, so that's nice and easy, isn't it? Nothing like a bit of convenience. Aren't you done yet?
Give over, you want to go?
No.
Right, how's she still alive?
Because I'm pretty.
This is why I normally come here without her.
You can go away if he wants, he'd be lonely though. To be fair, that's not a bad job, love.
Easier now when I'm on the jet wash, rinsing her off.
What have you done by there then? Scuffed her, have you? Oh no, that was when that bird took a poo on it, wasn't it, in Cheltenham?
No, it was before Cheltenham.
It's been on there that long?
Yeah.
That's shameful.
Oh shit.
But you have literally only got about 3.5 minutes left.
It's fine, I'll get some more if I have to. She's a big old girl.
You need to do under there as well.
Yeah, I know.
Hey! She got in there before me.
She was swift.
She was swift. That was funny.
There's always one in there.
Yeah, there's normally from Bridgend. I don't know what it is about men when they work. They definitely look more handsome, don't they? All right. Oh, you missed a bit. Careful now, because I know we're supposed to go to sleep. really bugging you, isn't it? He's cleaned the van and there's this stubborn little bug that doesn't want to leave. I think he's actually paying for more so he can rewash that part. Shocking. Were you paying for more or just because you'd run out?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Oh, nice one. Just gonna fall. I'm just walking behind the van now because I'm hoping I'm not going to get soaked. No, he's decided to change direction and completely drench me. Thanks. Thanks. Looking better already. Nice clean Sheila. Ah. Beautiful. What's that now then? Some funky wax, is it?
This is a mist coat of wax.
Oh. Shove a lot of that on and help the bugs slide right off. It smells nice too. Oh, I've just got drenched in wax. So after your wax, you can do a dryer and a polisher if you really, really want to. I don't think we'll bother with that bit. There she is. All cleaned and waxy fresh. Put an extra bit on the front there, love. Put extra up there. The bugs will slide right off. Hey. And that, my friends, I was just about to say, is it. But then he's decided to spray it again. So that, my friends, is it.
All I will say, if there's an easier way to get those poxy flies off, please let me know.
Did a good job, love. Look, everyone. She is sparkling. See you in a bit.